Welcome back to Little North Adventures, where snowy forests glow softly beneath the northern lights and warm bedtime stories help little hearts feel calm, cozy, and safe before sleep. Tonight, Maple the Moose will discover that even during the biggest snowstorms, warm hearts, gentle breaths, and good friends can help everything feel peaceful again. So, snuggle beneath your blankets, get nice and cozy, and let's begin tonight's story. Dark, snowy clouds slowly rolled across the northern sky above the little village. The warm cabin lights glowed softly below, while snowflakes drifted through the cold evening air. The storm was beginning to arrive. Soon, strong, snowy winds swept through the tall pine trees. Snow swirled across the forest, while branches gently swayed in the storm. The little village looked tiny beneath the growing winter sky. Inside the cozy cabin, Maple watched the snowstorm through the frosty window. The wind sounded loud outside, and Maple's little heart began feeling nervous and overwhelmed. "What if the storm gets too big?" Maple whispered softly. The snowy owl gently sat beside Maple near the warm lantern light. "Sometimes storms can feel scary," the owl said softly, "but slow breaths, warm light, and good friends can help us feel safe again." Together, Maple and the owl slowly breathed in and slowly breathed out. Before long, the fox and rabbit hurried warmly into the cabin through the snowy storm. The fireplace crackled softly while warm blankets covered the cozy room. Outside, the snowstorm continued swirling through the dark forest. Inside the cabin, warm lanterns glowed beside the windows while snowflakes danced outside. The cozy room felt calm and peaceful despite the storm beyond the glass. Little shadows flickered softly across the wooden walls. The friends gathered together beside the fireplace with warm mugs of cocoa and soft blankets. They listened quietly to the snowfall while the fire crackled gently nearby. Slowly, Maple's worried feelings began feeling smaller and calmer. As the night grew quieter, the snowfall outside slowly softened. The friends sat together peacefully beside the glowing lantern, while the snowy forest became calm again. The storm was beginning to pass. The next morning, warm sunrise light shimmered across the fresh, sparkling snow outside the cabin window. The village looked peaceful and beautiful beneath the soft golden sky. The storm had passed, and the whole forest felt calm once again. Later that evening, Maple rested peacefully beneath warm blankets beside the glowing lantern light. The snowy village outside the window looked quiet and still beneath the stars. Maple smiled sleepily, remembering how warm voices, slow breaths, and kind friends helped the storm feel less frightening. Because even during the coldest snowstorms, warm hearts can help everything feel safe again. And beneath the quiet northern sky, the little snowy village slowly drifted off to sleep. Thanks for listening along tonight. We hope you enjoyed this cozy Little North adventure. New bedtime stories arrive every weekday, filled with snowy forests, warm lanterns, gentle adventures, and calming northern nights. So if you'd like more cozy stories with Maple and friends, don't forget to like and subscribe. Sweet dreams! And we'll see you next time in Little North Adventures.